I'll be showing you the top profit calculator apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be looking at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. So the first one I'm going to mention with a lot of bias as it's my very own app. It's called Profit Calc. I built this app completely by myself and I answer all the support tickets. So if you have any questions about anything, just let me know and I'd be happy to work through it with you. It's a one-click profit calculator designed to help give you detailed analytics and breakdowns so you can make smarter and faster business decisions. So this is an example of the dashboard here. It has automatic ad integrations with Facebook, Instagram, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok to help import all your ad spend. It has cost of goods sold integrations with the likes of AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Ship Hero, as well as Printify and Printful. It has manual cost of goods sold calculations, whether that's by country or region. And I like to think it breaks everything down nicely, giving you a really solid understanding of your business. There's quite a few different reports on the left-hand side. And once set up, you just have to select the date range you're looking for to get those instant calculations to see your profit performance. And in terms of pricing, it starts at $29 a month for up to 750 orders. And you're going to get all the features in every plan here. It's just going to be priced based on the number of orders. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 68 5-star reviews. Again, this is my own app here, and I'll leave a link in the description as well. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store. Next up, we have GoProfit, Profit Analytics. So you can be in control of your profits, sales, costs, margins, P&L, LTV, and profit calculator. So it gives you robust sales and expense reporting, as well as advanced analytics on product performance, ad performance, customer lifetime value, and more. You can sync your advertising spend on platforms such as Facebook and Google. You can also export them easily here. You also get automated emails with weekly or monthly reports delivered straight to your inbox. Terms reviews sitting at a perfect 5 stars. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review, this merchant said it gives you a simple overview of total profit with cost of goods sold and marketing costs in mind. Next up, we have Sellerboard Profit Analytics. So it gives you accurate and detailed profit analytics in real time, letting you know your numbers and make data decisions. So it gives you a profit dashboard so you can analyze your profits by period, product, brand, and more. It gives you cost of goods sold calculations, as well as a customer lifetime value dashboard. It also gives you flexible spreadsheet reports, so you can download those or export those. And in terms of pricing, it starts at $9 for 600 orders a month. It goes up to $79 for unlimited orders. Terms reviews, sitting at a really good 4.6 stars with 42 5-star reviews. So let's take a look at some of the other competitors. And the first one is True Profit, Profit Analytics. And again, it's an all-in-one profit and loss dashboard. It makes it easy to set up your cost of goods sold. You can also sync your ad spend from all the major ad platforms. And in terms of pricing, it starts at $35 a month, and it's going to cost an additional 30 cents per order on top of that for a maximum surcharge of $300. And at the basic plan, you get 300 orders a month. For $50, you get 800 orders a month, and 100 you get 2,000 orders. And at $200 a month, it's 3,000 orders with an additional surcharge of 5 cents per order. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 593 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this says outstanding service, and the customer service person took the time to understand their concerns and offered a clear and practical solution. Lastly, we have Lifetimely, and lets you instantly track your profit and loss, growth channels, and customer LTV. So it gives you all your KPIs in a custom dashboard. You can calculate precise customer LTVs. You can also forecast through the future their predictive LTV model forecasts on how much each customer spend and how much more revenue you earn month to month for each cohort. You can learn all your customers' buying habits and centralize all your ad spend and channels with attribution. There's a free plan for up to 50 orders a month, but then it starts at $149 a month for up to 3,000 orders, $299 for 7,000 orders, and $499 for up to 15,000 orders per month. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.7 stars with 430 5-star reviews. And merchants highly value this app for its comprehensive financial and customer lifetime value analysis, featuring real-time profit tracking, and a seamless integration with platforms like Google and Facebook. This concludes the video here on the top profit calculator apps for your Shopify store. As mentioned, Profit Calc is my own app here, and I do all the customer service, and I built it entirely by myself. So I'm there to help you every step of the way if you choose to start a 15-day free trial and test it out for yourself. There's a link in the description below as well. If you enjoyed this video and it helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.